latest stories. Once you are logged in, the default landing page will be the latest stories. You can also access latest stories from the left panel too. The left panel is the navigation to select any module, document type, or the latest stories. The latest stories tab consists of all the important stories, news, and case laws related to tax and corporate laws. This page provides you with information about the latest case laws, the expert's opinion, and the latest statutory developments, which includes recent circulars and notifications. In case you would like to access past stories, you can click on Archive, select your duration, and access the story. You can change the module or document type from the filtering options.